In this video, we will discuss the initial setup and adjustments for the Marey 16-liter ETL unit. First, choose a location that is indoors, has proper clearance and access to a 110-volt outlet. The unit must be mounted vertically, preferably at eye level for easy viewing. Please use the mounting template as seen here to make sure the unit is mounted correctly. Make sure it is secured directly to studs, or utilize the provided expansion bolts. Before connecting the water lines, please remove the plastic caps. Both the water inlet and outlet are 1/2 inch NPT. The incoming water must be at least 1.5 psi and 0.66 GPM. You will notice a drain plug on the water inlet and a high pressure discharge valve on the water outlet. Please be sure to use piping suitable for use with high temperatures for the water outlet, such as copper, PEX, or CPVC. Once the connections are made, turn a hot water faucet on and open the shutoff valve. Allow the heater to run for a few minutes to purge the air from the water line, then shut off all the hot water faucets to pressurize the system. Check for and correct any leaks at this time. A pressure relief valve could be installed before the water inlet to prevent damage to the heater. The gas connection is 1/2 inch NPT. Incoming gas pressure should be around 11 inches water column for propane and 7 inches water column for natural gas. Turn on the gas supply and check all gas fittings for leaks with a soapy liquid. If you have a gas leak, then bubbles will form. Correct your leaks if this occurs. Please be sure to use a backup wrench when tightening the gas fitting. At this point, you can plug in the unit to a properly grounded 110 volt 3-prong outlet. The display should show CL indicating cold, meaning the heater is off. We are merely checking for power and making sure there are no problems before moving further. Do not run the heater without first properly installing the venting. This unit requires an air intake and exhaust vent pipe. Both pipes should be 3 inches in diameter. There are venting adapters provided for both the air inlet and outlet to ease in the installation. Materials may vary on the intake pipe, but the exhaust pipe must be stainless steel. Both pipes must be dedicated and not combined with chimneys or other venting. Please check the manual for other guidelines or consult a local HVAC technician for the local guidelines. At this point, you can turn on your faucet. But if you would like to change the readout from Celsius to Fahrenheit, simply hold both the up and down buttons for about 6 seconds. Open a faucet to test the heater. As water runs through the heater, it will automatically begin its ignition cycle and start heating water. You should see the combustion light illuminate, telling you that the heater has started producing hot water. Set the desired temperature by pressing the up or down buttons, and the heater should meet the requested temperature. If it can't reach the desired temperature, you may need to reduce the flow of water coming into the unit. The 16-liter ETL can also reach higher temperatures that may be needed in some northern climates, winter conditions, or long lengths of piping. If you need a higher set point than 122 degrees Fahrenheit, then all you need to do is hold the up button down for a few seconds, and then you can bring your set point all the way up to 149 degrees. You will notice the colored bar on the left of the display. As it rises, it turns red, indicating that the desired temperature is above a temp that may cause scalding, so please use extreme caution if you choose to use this feature.